Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an email signature in Hostinger. Setting up a professional email signature helps you maintain consistent branding and ensures every message you send looks polished and complete. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once the homepage loads, click on the Login button to access your account. Enter your credentials and sign in to reach your main dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage your hosting services, websites, and email accounts. After logging in, look for the Email section on your dashboard. Hostinger provides a dedicated email management area where you can control all your email-related settings. Click on Email to proceed. Inside the Email Management section, select Manage for the domain associated with your email account. This will take you to a page where you can see and configure your available mailboxes. Next, click on Mailboxes to view the list of email accounts connected to your domain. From the list, choose the specific email account where you want to add a signature. Make sure you select the correct mailbox so the signature is applied properly. Once you've selected the mailbox, click on Webmail. This will open the online email interface where you can send, receive, and customize your email settings. Inside Webmail, locate your Profile or Settings option, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Click on it, then navigate to the Settings section. From there, find and select the Signature option. Now you can enter the text or formatted content you'd like to appear at the bottom of your emails. You can include your name, job title, company name, contact information, and even links or basic formatting if supported. After entering your signature, make sure to save your changes. That's it. Your email signature is now set up and will automatically appear on your outgoing messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.